Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how a user can buy a course, register for the course, and then participate in the course. A user will go to our courses menu and then it will follow one of the categories of interest. In this case, I will follow the engineering category and then I will look for technical courses. This one are laid out for the College of Engineers in Puerto Rico. Once it clicks in the technical category, the list of courses will appear. The user can browse through the different courses. It can sort by either position or alphabetical order or price. Also, it will list the number of courses and then break them down by prices. Okay, so let's look at one of these courses. Here we have 3 technical hours, introduction to biomems. You can add directly to the cart, or you can click on the product and then see the description, the topics covered. There is a description of the instructor. And then you can add a course to a cart. Okay. Once the product's in the cart, you can either continue shopping or you can check out. If we have coupons, the user can enter the coupon here and apply it. Okay. So I apply a coupon and you can see the discount in here. So you can either pay directly through PayPal or you can proceed to checkout. So once you check out, you can enter the billing information. Okay, so here we have different customers groups, so we can create group for your members, and then they can receive special prices and special considerations. Okay, so I'm in the process of filling out the information. Okay, so all the information is entered. Okay, the user will select a password. It will enter the credit card information. Right now, I don't have the number for security reasons. The coupon is being applied, and also how the user heard about us. Right. So here we can just gonna put Google. Okay. So I will pause and enter the credit card number and place the order. So we will see the next screen. But you can see here we have a one-page order. Right. So it's just one process. One step. So the order got processed, and then the user will receive instructions about what to do next, which is check the email, where the user will receive login instructions. The user will receive an email where they can register by clicking in this area. And the reason we do this is because sometimes the user doesn't buy the course. Sometimes someone from HR will buy the course for the client. So let's say that the secretary can come here and then register by clicking here, and then it will fill out the information for the user or the users. Sometimes they buy for more than one person. Okay, so this is how the name is gonna appear in the certificate with the email and then also the phone number. Okay, so if this is correct, then the person will submit. It will be sent to the virtual classroom. In here, using the username and password provided to the user will log in. And then the user will be directed to their course. Right, so in this case, the person bought the Introduction to Biomass course. Okay. And here we'll have the description of the course. It will have the videos for the lecture. Where the user can uh, look at their course, and and then once the person look at the videos or the different videos, and also it will have access to documents provided by the instructor, they can take a quiz. Okay, so this is the quiz that they will take so they can obtain the certificate. So you can see that the certificate right now is disabled, and then it will be enabled once the person obtains a score of 70%. That's usually the standard in the industry of continuing education. Okay, so let's click on the quiz. So by clicking on the quiz, the person can attempt the quiz. And then here, usually, for short courses, we have approximately like 10 questions, and depends on the number of hours. Okay, so once the person completes the quiz, then the certificate will be enabled. Okay, so the person will click on the certificate. A new screen will pop up. Okay, so here we click on Get Certificate, and then the certificate will download in PDF format. Okay, so usually, depending on the state requirements, sometimes they have to keep this certificate, or in the case, for example, Puerto Rico, they have to turn in this certificate so the hours will get provided. So here we have the download of the certificate in PDF format. Right, so once you open it, it will show up in a separate file or a separate tab where you can then download that file and submit it. And here is a sample certificate that usually follow the standards established by Puerto Rico. One of the things that need to be researched is what standards will apply to the different states, and then being able to provide different certificates for different states, right? So we can include links for all the different states, and then the person can just use that to download. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope this gives you an idea of the things that can be done. Of course, the user experience in the field will be adjusted to what CHIP feels is best. Thank you once again.